Got a different one today. Going tankless. 1.25" black iron, 3/4 copper, 2" PVC, 1/2" PVC. The owner wanted to upgrade to a tankless, and can't just install a tankless. You got to make sure that there's ample gas supply. So this is 180,000 BTU. I was literally under the house yesterday measuring all the runs from the meter to the farthest fixture, and an extremely long story short, I have to have 1.25" up to the tankless, and then it can reduce 3/4 the rest of the way to all the other fixtures, because it's 3/4 throughout the entire building, and then it tees off 1/2" to the appliances, but the 1/2" runs are less than a foot. So that's really nice that they didn't run 1/2" all the way out to the furthest fixture. It's 3/4. So that means I only have to do about 12 feet of 1.25". Be honest with you, I know a ton of guys that install these, and I've asked them, I said, do you guys ever, check the to make sure the gas pipes are the longest measured run and all that? Do you ever check that? And they all say, oh, nah, man, we just install them, man. I don't ever check that. And they say, I've never had any issues. So, but I really want to make sure there's no issues. So probably could have done it 1". But I literally measured every section of that pipe from the meter all the way over, because I want to make sure, But anyway, not going to get a whole lot of shots because these are pretty labor intensive, so I'll just keep an update going as we progress along the job here. So, all right, let's go. So here's our culprit. Be changing this out. Crawl space is right underneath, which is convenient, but we do not have a whole lot of space to work here. We got this damn thing in the way, all of these in the way, so we're just gonna have to make do here. Maybe zip tie that out of the way or something, I don't know. So this is going to be terminated after we run the gas. I'll stub the gas out of here, similar to that. Okay, we're going to run the vent now. Before we do the water lines, we're going to tie the water lines down and under, over and under. And then the gas is going to come up here. This will go up here or down there, and then TMP will reuse that. And we're going to try to make this so we need room for future to access this to work on it. So little B vent here. So this is 4". I got a 3x2 right there, but the vent down there is, you all right? So we're gonna need a 4x2. All right, we're done for today. We got a late start, so all we have to do is, so we got that coming out. This will be terminated. Cut that. We're gonna stub up gas somewhere right here, the TMP. And when we did all this, I made sure, I even put a bucket in here. I made sure that I'm gonna have room to work on this right here, and there's ample room. So hot, cold, and then so all we have to do with the vent Oh shoot, still gotta tie that in. I didn't even think about doing that. I need a 4x2 no-hub band, which I think they make. And then that's it for the vent. But yeah. Happy with the outcome. Lastly, I thought about putting a vent here, but this old school plumber dude told me that on real short runs like this, you really don't need it. But maybe I do because of this. I don't know. But if I have to do it, it's threaded on both sides, so I can easily replace that. So I just read through the entire manual, and the only thing that we weren't able to do is I don't have 24 inches of clearance from the front to the side wall. It's probably more like 20. But like I said earlier, I made sure I could get in there because I'm going to be the guy working on this thing. So, and I did confirm, I can't remember where it is, but the condensate drain right here, it needs an air gap. So instead of doing an air gap, I'm going to put a little vent on it. And I bought a T to do that, and I completely forgot, and I put those 290s on there. So I mean, that's $3 worth of material. So I'll cut that out, redo it tomorrow, and put a little vent on there, and that should be good. Actually, you know what? Let me see if I can find it here. Hold on. Okay, so this is it right here. They're saying it's basically an air, they don't call it an air gap, but there's a space between. So I'm just gonna put a little vent on it. All right, we're back. Got the candy cane coming through the B vent with a no hub. That's a 4x2 no hub, so water doesn't get in. So now we're just going to run the gas and added the T. The gas company is coming out next week. They may have to upgrade this, but there you go. Now we're about to mega press. Make sure to pull that T out of alignment. All right, I'm gonna purge the gas, and we're done. That's it. We just gotta put the combustion air, because this is a mesh door. I'm gonna put combustion air just 9-ing off the top. In the installation instructions, it's talking about I think it's louvered door. You only have to have like that much. We have an entire door and a louver right there, so it'll be all right. All right, now we're done. Got the gas connected. yeah. And if there is issues, we'll come back and drill it out the side, and it's not that big of a deal, you know. As a matter of fact, let's save that in case we have to do that. Put that right there. But I can't imagine this is not going to give it enough airflow. So anyway,